The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I have been hosting my big boy ASICs with Terra Hosting for a long time, and if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know that, but I never really got into the backstory of why, and the reason why is because I hunted around for a while for a hosting facility. I wanted a company that had a good electric rate. That's what I was looking for at first. Once I started making calls and digging into some of these companies and realizing the electric rate is just to draw you in, on a lot of these companies, they would tell me their racking fees and all these other hidden fees that I didn't know about. And most of them would make you buy the miner from them. And it wasn't a very transparent process. I was getting a little bit frustrated trying to find a transparent hosting company with people in the community that I could trust and that were very good electric rate with an excellent uptime. So that's how I ended up with Terra Hosting. These guys have been part of the community. If you've been in crypto and been watching crypto mining YouTube channels, you know these guys, you know Hawk Crypto Mining. I got a chance to talk to Mike, the CMO of Terra Hosting, and you know him as Hawk Crypto Tech and Mining. So let's go ahead and hop into this interview. I got a chance to talk to him at the Terra booth at the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas. Let's talk to Mike and we'll find out more. Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I'm at Bitcoin 2025. I'm with Hawk with Terra Hosting at the Terra Hosting booth, and it's been a fun day. How are you doing, Hawk?
I am tired. I'm sitting down. My feet are killing me, but I'm doing okay. My voice is hoarse, but we're moving along. We're pushing along. It's nice.
And this is day 2, so we got more of this tomorrow. So more feet hurting, more hoarse voices, but a lot of fun, a lot of talking to new people. I love it. So I wanted to chat with you because I heard that you guys have a new facility that's opening up soon.
Yeah, we're opening up Indiana, and it's ahead of schedule. We're slated for mid-July to August. I'm hoping July. It's going to be great, man. The capacity there is a lot, 25 megawatts to start as capacity.
Awesome.
And we're already having to expand because through the growth that we're having every month, we're already filled with what's going to be there now.
Wow.
So we're already having to go ahead and purchase more stuff. So it's great. It's great.
That's awesome.
It's a good problem to have.
That's a great problem to have. So is this going to be mostly an ASIC hosting facility?
Yes, it's an ASIC hosting facility, but it's also going to be our data center side too.
Okay.
There's a 12,000 square foot HPC data center built next door.
Great, that's great. And so there's going to be a lot of people interested in Bitcoin because Bitcoin's around 110 grand now, and it's ramping up. You can tell the electricity in this building is insane. There's so many people here, so many people are excited about hosting, mining. What is your electric rate that is going to be at the new facility? Where are you guys at right now?
So right now we're at 9.5 cents, very high, but we're going to bring it down to 0.0875 for 1 to 25 units.
Great.
And we can go as low as 0.0825. If you go over a megawatt, we can come to the table, we can talk.
Yep.
So it really just depends on what it is. But what makes us different from other people is a few things. We don't require you to buy a unit from us. You'll see a company advertise 6 or 7 cent power, and all of a sudden you got to pay $2,000 more on the unit. If you amortize the difference in profit, in cost that you have on that unit plus that power, that 6 cents turns into 12 real fast.
Yep.
So it's a lot of this stuff is cash grab stuff. We don't do that. Purchase your unit anywhere you want. There's upfront pricing. It's $100 setup fee, no prepaid power, no hidden fees. It's a very simple and it's a trustworthy model that we built. It's building trust with each other because when you're at Terra, yeah, you're a client, but you're more like a partner. If your units aren't mining, you host with us. Yeah. We don't bill you if your units aren't mining. So it incentivizes us to keep going. Last month, our uptime was right around 99.64%. So we pushed for no curtailment. It took us longer to get a site that we don't want to curtail at, but we did it, and we're here.
That's amazing, man. That's one of the reasons why I host with you guys, because it was so easy to get a hold of you. It was easy for me to get things sent to you. Right. The very low cost to get my units racked. And at first I didn't buy my miners from TerraHashes because you guys hadn't started TerraHashes yet. Right. But it was so easy for me to send my miners to them. They take good care of them. I've received a few back from them, and they're pristine condition. So they take good care of their miners, and the 99.4% you said? 99.64% uptime is huge because time is money when you're mining. You guys know that. So it's very impressive.
It only hit 0.64 because we had to swap a breaker for half a day.
Yeah. Well, half a day downtime. I can't accomplish that at home, and I'm watching my stuff at home all the time. My stuff's down more than I would like. So,
look, it happens. Nothing's perfect. These machines, they run 24/7. So to keep them where they are is a difficult thing. That's why you have to stay on top of it. Can't take breaks. Answer the phone. Customer service is huge.
Yeah.
And when you get what you pay for in hosting, if you pay for mining in Ethiopia and it's 4 cents, you're going to get 4-cent service, and there's no accountability sending these ASICs to foreign countries. They could steal your stuff and you got no legal premise to fight and get your property back. It's too risky in my opinion. Stay American, pay a little bit more, have some security.
Yep. Stay keep in the US, you're going to have a higher quality, and you're going to basically have your miners run, and you're going to get them back in good condition. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is I heard you have AI assisting you guys with your hosting services. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so we built a custom portal system that is in beta still. We're testing it with a few people, but there's going to be a built-in AI that we're training on a large language model at our own facility, and that is going to be allowed to ping like the units and make sure, see what their uptime is, and the AI will be able to actually communicate with you and say, hey, Greater Good Mining, I went ahead and noticed that Unit 03 went down last night. I triggered a reboot. Looks like it's stable, but I'll keep an eye on it for you. That is insane. Nobody's doing that. That is Terra that designed that from the ground up. So that took a lot of time. We were working on a lot of things that I couldn't mention. Now we can kind of mention them because they're done, they're protected, they're copywritten, they're trademarked, whatever it is, service marked,
nice.
And everything is good. So there's a lot more to come in that area. But for now, the portal is really, really awesome. I was hoping that it would be on the TV when we were live here, but sometimes it'll pop up. So, but it's really cool. So it's going to be rolled out really soon for clients.
Cool. And I'll leave a link to Terra Hosting in the website. It's terrahosting.io, and the sister company, Terra Hashes.
Terra Hashes are ASIC sales, yeah.
ASIC sales there, and you can use discount code GREATER if you want 1% off your order there.
Yeah, get a discount. Yeah. Absolutely.
And thank you for your time, Hawk. I really appreciate it. I really had a good time talking to you.
Anytime, man. Anytime. Thank you.
Have fun. Don't work too hard. Stay off your feet a little bit.
I got to get off my feet. It's crazy.
Later, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Once again, I want to thank Hawk for taking the time to talk with me. It was super busy at that booth, and it was super busy at the Bitcoin conference. Tons of people are interested. Bitcoin's over 100K. A lot of people want to mine it. And the easy way to get started without having to deal with all the heat, the electricity, the noise, the overpriced electric rates that you have at home is to host. And that's why they were so busy at that booth. Check out terrahosting.io. And if you're looking to buy some ASICs, check out terrahashes.com and use discount code GREATER for 1% off. Don't forget the links will be in the description. If you like the video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.